I'm waking up to start my day. I'm waking up to start my day. I'm brushing my teeth right now. I'm brushing my teeth right now. I'm washing my face to feel refreshed. I'm washing my face to feel refreshed. I'm making my bed to tidy up. I'm making my bed to tidy up. I'm getting dressed for the day ahead. I'm getting dressed for the day ahead. I'm preparing my breakfast. I'm preparing my breakfast. I'm drinking a cup of coffee to wake up. I'm drinking a cup of coffee to wake up. I'm checking my phone for messages. I'm checking my phone for messages. I'm packing my lunch for work. I'm packing my lunch for work. I'm leaving the house to catch the bus. I'm leaving the house to catch the bus. I'm logging into my computer for work. I'm logging into my computer for work. I'm checking my emails to stay updated. I'm checking my emails to stay updated. I'm attending a meeting with my team. I'm attending a meeting with my team. I'm working on a project that's due soon. I'm working on a project that's due soon. I'm taking notes during the presentation. I'm taking notes during the presentation. I'm discussing plans with my colleagues. I'm discussing plans with my colleagues. I'm reviewing documents before submission. I'm reviewing documents before submission. I'm brainstorming ideas for the next project. I'm brainstorming ideas for the next project. I'm grabbing a quick snack during my break. I'm grabbing a quick snack during my break. I'm finishing a task before the deadline. I'm finishing a task before the deadline. I'm washing the dishes after dinner. I'm washing the dishes after dinner. I'm vacuuming the living room carpet. I'm vacuuming the living room carpet. I'm doing the laundry this afternoon. I'm doing the laundry this afternoon. I'm folding the clean clothes neatly. I'm folding the clean clothes neatly. I'm watering the plants in the garden. I'm watering the plants in the garden. I'm sweeping the floor to keep it clean. I'm sweeping the floor to keep it clean. I'm organizing my wardrobe to make space. I'm organizing my wardrobe to make space. I'm taking out the rubbish to the bin outside. I'm taking out the rubbish to the bin outside. I'm cleaning the bathroom this evening. I'm cleaning the bathroom this evening. I'm changing the bed sheets for fresh ones. I'm changing the bed sheets for fresh ones. I'm chopping vegetables for dinner. I'm chopping vegetables for dinner. I'm boiling water for some tea. I'm boiling water for some tea. I'm baking cookies for the kids. I'm baking cookies for the kids. I'm trying a new recipe tonight. I'm trying a new recipe tonight. I'm setting the table for a family meal. I'm setting the table for a family meal. I'm marinating the chicken for dinner. I'm marinating the chicken for dinner. I'm blending a smoothie for breakfast. I'm blending a smoothie for breakfast. I'm reheating leftovers for lunch. I'm reheating leftovers for lunch. I'm seasoning the food to add flavour. I'm seasoning the food to add flavour. I'm serving the food onto plates. I'm serving the food onto plates. I'm watching my favourite TV series. I'm watching my favourite TV series. I'm reading a new book I just bought. I'm reading a new book I just bought. I'm listening to music to unwind. I'm listening to music to unwind. I'm practicing yoga to relax my body. I'm practicing yoga to relax my body. I'm scrolling through social media for fun. I'm scrolling through social media for fun. I'm journaling my thoughts for the day. I'm journaling my thoughts for the day. I'm meditating to clear my mind. I'm meditating to clear my mind. I'm painting a picture for fun. I'm painting a picture for fun. I'm playing video games with friends. I'm playing video games with friends. I'm planning a weekend trip to the countryside. I'm planning a weekend trip to the countryside. I'm stretching before my workout. I'm stretching before my workout. I'm running on the treadmill at the gym. I'm running on the treadmill at the gym. I'm lifting weights to build strength. I'm lifting weights to build strength. I'm doing press-ups to tone my arms. I'm doing press-ups to tone my arms. I'm practicing a new dance routine. I'm practicing a new dance routine. I'm cycling in the park for exercise. I'm cycling in the park for exercise. I'm hiking up a trail for fresh air. I'm hiking up a trail for fresh air. I'm swimming laps at the local pool. I'm swimming laps at the local pool. I'm cooling down after an intense workout. I'm cooling down after an intense workout. I'm tracking my steps with my smartwatch. I'm tracking my steps with my smartwatch. I'm calling a friend to catch up. I'm calling a friend to catch up. I'm texting my family to check on them. I'm texting my family to check on them. I'm organising a dinner with friends. I'm organising a dinner with friends. I'm chatting with my neighbour about the weather. I'm chatting with my neighbour about the weather. I'm sending birthday wishes to a colleague. I'm sending birthday wishes to a colleague. I'm meeting my best friend for coffee. I'm meeting my best friend for coffee. I'm helping a friend move into their new house. I'm helping a friend move into their new house. I'm introducing myself to someone new. I'm introducing myself to someone new. I'm mentoring a junior team member at work. I'm mentoring a junior team member at work. I'm writing thank you notes for a gift. I'm writing thank you notes for a gift. I'm taking a shower to relax before bed. I'm taking a shower to relax before bed. I'm brushing my teeth before sleeping. I'm brushing my teeth before sleeping. I'm setting my alarm for the morning. I'm setting my alarm for the morning. I'm laying out my clothes for tomorrow. I'm laying out my clothes for tomorrow. I'm journaling about today's highlights. I'm journaling about today's highlights. I'm dimming the lights to create a calming atmosphere. I'm dimming the lights to create a calming atmosphere. I'm listening to a podcast as I wind down. I'm listening to a podcast as I wind down. I'm reading a few chapters of a novel. I'm reading a few chapters of a novel. I'm reflecting on what I achieved today. I'm reflecting on what I achieved today. I'm saying goodnight to my family. I'm saying goodnight to my family. I'm learning a new language online. I'm learning a new language online. I'm practicing a musical instrument. I'm practicing a musical instrument. I'm attending an online class to improve my skills. I'm attending an online class to improve my skills. I'm researching topics for a personal project. I'm researching topics for a personal project. I'm watching a documentary to gain knowledge. I'm watching a documentary to gain knowledge. I'm writing ideas for a creative project. I'm writing ideas for a creative project. I'm solving puzzles to sharpen my mind. I'm solving puzzles to sharpen my mind. I'm organizing my calendar for the week. I'm organizing my calendar for the week. I'm decluttering my workspace for better focus. I'm decluttering my workspace for better focus. I'm setting goals for personal growth. I'm setting goals for personal growth. I'm shopping online for groceries. I'm shopping online for groceries. I'm paying bills through my bank app. I'm paying bills through my bank app. I'm repairing a broken chair in the house. I'm repairing a broken chair in the house. I'm fixing a bug in my computer program. I'm fixing a bug in my computer program. I'm uploading photos to my cloud storage. I'm uploading photos to my cloud storage. I'm cleaning my car this weekend. I'm cleaning my car this weekend. I'm charging my phone for tomorrow. I'm charging my phone for tomorrow. I'm checking my pet's food and water. I'm checking my pet's food and water. I'm booking tickets for an upcoming concert. I'm booking tickets for an upcoming concert. I'm reviewing my to-do list for tomorrow. I'm reviewing my to-do list for tomorrow.